Fans of artisanal sausage, grass-fed ground beef, and steak tartare might believe the only way to enjoy these delicacies is to procure them from the local butcher shop, gourmet grocery store, or farmer's market. But you can make them of all and more at home with a meat grinder.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best meat grinders in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Electric Meat Grinder. If you buy meat in bulk, go hunting, or want to take up sausage making as a hobby, this grinder can handle pretty much anything you throw into it, and it has the power for frequent use. The powerful 300-watt motor quickly grinds up to 3 pounds per minute, so you'll be done with big projects in no time at all. The brushed stainless steel housing is durable, and this product includes 2 cutting plates for medium and coarse thickness, plus 2 sausage attachments for breakfast links and regular sausages. It also has a reverse feature, which makes operation as simple as can be. Our tester praised this high-quality grinder for being able to make family-sized batches of burgers, meatloaf, sausages, and chili with ease. She also boasted about how easy it is to set up, operate, and clean. Number 2. STX International Turboforce 3000. With 3000 watts of peak output power, this is the workhorse of electric meat grinders. The grinder head, auger, and meat pan are all designed to handle large portions of meat in less time than other models. It comes with everything you need for all your home grinding needs: 3 stainless steel cutting blades, 3 different grinding plates, a modified beaner plate, sausage stuffing plate, a set of 3 sizes of sausage stuffing tubes, and a kiba attachment. This machine features a high, low, and reverse, and it can grind between 175 and 225 pounds of meat per hour on high speed. Users note that the machine is both easy to clean and easy to use. Adding to the versatility of this package, 2 meat shredder claws and a 3-in-1 burger slider press/maker are also included. Made of 100% uncoated food-grade cast aluminum, this machine is built to last. Plus, STX offers a 100% guarantee for 3 years. Number 3. Sunmile SMG50 ETL Electric Meat Grinder. The Sunmile Electric Meat Grinder is an elegant-looking machine that can grind large portions of meat quickly and efficiently. Built with a metal gearbox featuring large durable gears and a large capacity tray and grinding head, you'll be able to feed this continuously, whether you're grinding meat for burgers or stuffing sausages to stock the freezer. This includes 1 cutting blade, 3 grinding plates, a plastic pusher, and 3 sausage stuffers, so you can make a variety of sausages and ground meats. The grinder head is made from polished aluminum, allowing you to chill it in the refrigerator or freezer before grinding to help keep the meat cold as you work. The cutting blade and grinding plates are made from stainless steel, so they can also be chilled. This operates with simple switches for on and off/reverse, and to reset the circuit breaker that protects it from overheating. Number 4. LEM Products 17801 Big Bite. LEM makes a variety of meat grinders, but it recommends this particular model for frequent use. The brand's Big Bite technology allows the auger to handle larger portions of meat at a time and efficiently move it into the grinder head with fewer clogs. In addition to being able to grind 11 pounds of meat per minute, it boasts quiet operation, an all-stainless steel motor housing, all metal gears, and a built-in circuit breaker. It includes a large meat pan, coarse and fine plates, a stuffing plate, a meat stomper, and 3 stuffing tubes for everything from breakfast links and snack sticks, to brats and smoked sausage, to summer sausage and salami. There's also a convenient tray at the bottom for storage. Number 5. KitchenAid Food Grinder. If you have a KitchenAid stand mixer, it might make sense to get a meat grinder attachment rather than buy a standalone grinder. Like other attachments for the stand mixer, this attaches to the power hub and uses the mixer's power to grind the meat. This has a fine plate and coarse plate, so it can be used for grinding meats and dried bread, as well as firm fruits, vegetables, and cheeses. Most parts are dishwasher safe, too. It also includes a meat pusher, which has a wrench on the opposite end for unscrewing the ring that holds the plates in place. While this is all you need for grinding meat, there are compatible add-ons that make it even more useful. An optional food tray expands the surface area for holding food, making it faster and easier to keep feeding ingredients into the grinder. That was our list of the top 5 best meat grinders in 2023 just for you.